Good morning, everyone. Happy December 16th. Let's see. This is more recipes, or these are craft projects. It's kind of funny because I have this Nightmare Before Christmas cookbook slash arts and craftsy thing, and these are all in it. So it's made by the same company. I'm not complaining because I love this little format and it looks great in my junk journal, but I've already seen these. Anyway. And then the next one is, I'm sorry, I got distracted by loud motorcycles and my cat wandering around. Here we go. Popcorn, the 16, oh, don't look at the joke. My husband was like, oh, it's that okay. Does anybody know what this is, or is this just a Harry Potter reference? Because it sounds like a spell from Harry Potter, so I wasn't for sure. And I hope this is posting right because it looks like Instagram changed their features again, so the story looks completely different. Anyway, I did the joke one day without Robert, and he was quite upset. So, nope. No doing that without him. And I guess my joke of the day, my sister gets into it because yesterday she texted me. She goes, I just dropped Oliver Twist book on my toe. And I said, oh my God, did you break it? And she's like, no, but it sure hurts like a Dickens. And I'm like, oh, she got me. I'm so proud of her. That was a good one. So, and I should have realized, because why the heck would she have an Oliver Twist book? Seriously, Jenny, I'm so slow sometimes. All right, remember, today we're opening the 6th because I opened the 16th on the 6th. Is this the, see, look how hard that is. See how I missed that? That is so hard to see. You know, I'm just like a typical person, blaming my mistakes on everyone else. I'm just teasing. Ooh, I think this is a new one. Oh my God, this is a new one. Crunchy bits. I'm gonna have to eat this one on camera because this is definitely a new one. And Hallmark. These are good chocolates. I know they're kind of just sitting in that jar. I will eat them. Or dish. It's a dish. It's Bissinger. You can never go wrong with Bissinger. It's just, I don't know. So much chocolate in this. I'm leaving it right there. So much chocolate in this house. Okay. This is what they do at 16th. 16. All right, here we go. 16. This is the chocolate I will eat every single morning. Christmas tree. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is a nice big Christmas tree. So I'm going to eat this, get a soda, and then I will come back and show you what that looks like if you're curious, because I've definitely not had that one yet. Oh, and anyone who was watching my a lawn care drama last night, my garbage pail cans. So my husband I set my alarm for 5 a.m. so I could put the trash cans out before the garbage guy came because everyone's trash cans were blowing all over. I haven't checked the news yet, so I pray to God no one got injured last night in tornadoes. But he took the trash out at 2 a.m. as soon as the storm ended. And then he turned my alarm off because he is the best husband ever. All right, here's the crunchy bits. And sorry if you don't want to hear this, but going back on about the trash cans, it is 9:37 and they still have not picked up yet. But the reason I was so obsessed with it last night is because our garbage can people, our trash pickup people are not consistent. They go through several neighborhoods, and I'm not complaining about, I don't care if they're consistent or not, as long as they pick up that day. But last month I had tons of stinky trash that needed to go. And I forgot to put it out the night before. I put it out at 8 a.m. and they had already came. So the one time I didn't put it out the night before, I missed it. And so that's why I'm just paranoid obsessed. And keep in mind, I work from home and I don't have a lot to distract me. So it's easy for me to get obsessed over stupid little crap. All right, here we go. Give me a second. It is called Crunchy Bits. All right, it's really hard. And those are oh my God, this is so good. This is like a Heath bar. Those are toffee bits. Really, really good. I'm disappointed that this is the 16th and the first time we've seen it. I would definitely like some repeats of that. Time for a Christmas story. There's like a little box right there.
Okay.
Gonna be a little guy.
I can't get it. I can't make this work.
Another figure. Is that not the same kid that got his tongue stuck?
Okay. I can't see him.
Oh.
Wait a minute. This is...
Who is it?
That's the kid. That's his brother.
It's one of his friends. Look, it's that long hat.
No, but doesn't he have that outfit on? Wait, no. That's this one. I don't know who that is. Yeah, I guess that's his friend.
I remember
I
that.
don't know who has the hat on, though.
Oh, Robert's gonna have to do his research.
Hold on a minute. Who is this guy?
I think it's one of his friends. Or is it one of the bully kids?
I thought the bully kid had like a...
There's more than one bully kid. The bully had two. They always have sidekicks. Joke of the day. What did the popcorn say on its first trip to the circus? What? Didn't we already have this one? That's the 13th. I knew that one was. Sorry. Here we go. We've had that one. Why didn't anyone laugh at the popcorn jokes? I don't know.
Because they were corny.
Because they were corny. Because they were too corny. Oh my God. Robert is a pro at this.
I'm good on lame jokes.
Lame joke king. Good morning. It is Friday the 17th. Let's see what we got today. Oh. That's it. Christmas scare aids. Are these like Band-Aids? I don't know. What is this? Just a piece of paper. Christmas scare aids. Scareds? All right, let's see what the... Oh, this is like some kind of game. All right. It's time for Halloween. Charades. All right. Oh, scarades, charades. I'm a little slow this morning. I haven't had my Dr. Pepper. All right, popcorn. Let's see what we got today. Don't look at the joke. Raspberry cheesecake. That's a duplicate. I have not tried it yet. Let's see. 17. What chocolate will it be? That one from yesterday was really good. I could use a duplicate of that. Where is the 17th? Oh, here we go. A twirl. I must not like twirls that much because there's one sitting in my dish. 17 for my Belgian chocolate that I love. Oh yeah, this is good. Oh, and I skipped the predictable Hallmark channel. We didn't watch a Hallmark movie last night. We watched A Christmas Vacation again 2 times in a row. It's time for A Christmas Story. This one right here, Robert. I know it's a little late in the afternoon.
What's the old man?
Errands. Oh, it is the dad. It's the dad.
It's the old man.
That's a good one. And we went to a grocery store that is just a foreign grocery store. Basically, it's a bunch of just Chinese and Mexican and Italian different foods. And look what we found. Oh, yes. Ovaltine. So if you watch A Christmas Story, you would understand. I've never even had Ovaltine. Robert, have you ever had Ovaltine?
I had it.
Robert had it growing up, so I just had to buy it. I don't even know how much it was. Who knows? Ovaltine. Good afternoon. Time to open the Advent. We did go to the post office, and it was like crazy long lines. All right, so we've got, making a Christmas scavenger hunt. That's cute. I like that idea. And then the 18th. Here we go right here. Let's see. You want to guess the popcorn? Classic caramel. How did the popcorn surprise his friends?
He just popped in?
He popped in? He just popped out of nowhere. So close, Robert. So close.
Really, that's my thing.
That's your corny jokes is definitely your thing. What is this one? Whisper? Yeah, I think we've already had that one. That's good. All right, the Hallmark one. And then my favorites. Oh, this is gonna be a small one. And Robert is right here with me. And so we're gonna do, I didn't even show yet. It's a Christmas hat. Santa hat. All right, I gotta eat my Santa hat. And get this one right here.
Oh, jeez. Another hound.
Yay!
That's all right.
We need one more because he technically had 3. What are you doing? Can just oh my God, they're identical. They couldn't even make them different. Jeez Louise, people. It's the same dog. The same dog. Oh well.
It's a hound.
Still a good advent calendar. All right, I just realized I did not read the joke of the day yesterday. So you're gonna get 2 today. Saturday special. Why did the corn stalks hold a ceremony in honor of the scarecrow? Robert's really thinking about this.
Don't know.
You don't know? It's a good one. To congratulate him for being outstanding in their field.
Oh, now that's a good one.
That is a very, very, very good one.
I was going to say because he was stalking him, but that really made no sense.
Stalking him? Yeah. That's a good one too, but it had to have corn somewhere. You had to have corn somewhere. Congratulate. Good morning. Happy Sunday the 19th. Or I guess it's almost afternoon. Let's see. Oh, a little button. That's cool. Is there more than one? No, just one. I like it. And then the popcorn. Oh my gosh, I really ruined the box. I guess I should have left the windows to help it stay together, but I've been putting the windows in my junk journal, so that's why white chocolate and strawberry, that's why I keep ripping those off. Not every window, just when it's a really good joke. It's the 19th. Here we go, this corner. Oh, a dairy milk. This is a good repeat. They've all been great repeats. Hallmark Channel. And now my Belgian chocolates. Oh, it's another penguin. Oh, how can I get? There we go. This really is one of the best chocolates I've had. And then Robert is up in his office, so I'll come get him later. We're doing a little different. We're starting with a Christmas story today. All right, that one right there. Better be the top of a Christmas tree, right?
Feel anything. Well, I hope so, because I ain't... Oh.
Oh, it's...
What the hell is this?
I don't know. This is just getting a bit weirder.
What are we looking at here?
I don't know. I really don't. I don't know what's going on. All right, let's move on. What is today, the 20th?
What is that?
I don't... Well, you're going to have to rewatch the movie. I don't know.
I thought I watched it. I thought I would know what that was.
I don't know. Let's see what the mayor has to say. Let's see what the mayor is giving us today. Some more paper. Oh, he is giving us Ho-Ho Horrors. He's giving us a Christmas card. Season Screaming.
Is he smiling or is he sad?
He's very happy. Look at that. He's very happy.
Oh, he is happy.
All right, now we're doing popcorn. Oh, I accidentally hit the 23rd. What am I doing? Okay, here we go. Double chocolate popcorn to add to the stack. Why shouldn't kernels catch a flight? It has something to do with popcorn. Because they pop too easily? Because their ears will pop. That's a good one.
That is a good one, actually.
We should have realized. We should have known that one.
It's Ralphie.
It's Ralphie?
Don't forget it.
He's looking up to see what that Christmas tree's off. Ooh, Crunchy Bits. This is my favorite. I'm very glad. That's the first repeat of that. And then...
I should have ordered one of these.
We're
one
almost
of these hoodies.
We're almost to
They
the
have
end,
Ralphie,
Robert.
Ralphie in a rabbit suit.
You should have. Look at that. Almost done. Christmas is almost here. I'm not for sure that I'm ready for it to be Christmas. I kind of want it to be over with, but I don't really feel like I'm ready yet. Oh, I can't get this open. Oh, another teddy bear. Robert, you want to try the chocolate since I always eat it before you get a chance? No?
I'm not a chocolate person.
All right, he's still trying to figure out. All right.
That was a piece of beef jerky I got all over it.
What? This is going to be a Christmas tree, right? Is that what these pieces are forming?
I could have got you a hoodie that it looks like the
I guess.
rabbits.
I know it's going to be a Christmas tree.
And Clara.